budget, budget. That's the topic that dominated the week on the airwaves and on the streets. In today's show, we dissect what ignited those discussions. Finance Minister Audley Shaw's budget presentation that happened on Thursday. On issues and answers, we hear the government's plans to provide more housing solutions for Jamaicans.
The Prime Minister, who controls the National Housing Trust, intends to have it focus heavily on financing housing and not having it distracted by any other kind of activity.
So please stay with us. This is the show with the information to improve your life.
For health's sake, keep it clean. For health's sake, clean up every gully, every school, every house, every lane.
Labor Day 2016. For health's sake, keep it clean. Join the cleanup efforts in your community on Labor Day and help to keep the mosquitoes away. Over 1 million people die each year from mosquito-borne diseases worldwide. So destroy all mosquitoes in the gullies, drains, and around your homes. Let's clean up our public spaces and beautify our environment. Register your projects now. Call 978-7654 or email laborday@mcges.gov.jm.
Keep it clean.
You should watch or at least listen to the national budget debate. It not only affects your pocket, but also your social welfare. Watch this as we provide a report of Finance Minister Audley Shaw's 2016-2017 budget presentation.
Creating meaningful jobs, reducing public debt, improving the lives of the Jamaican people. Focus areas for government in the 2016-2017 fiscal year. To achieve all that and more, the plan is to continue the mission to grow the economy.
Placing growth as the highest priority of government is just the right thing to do.
Part and parcel of the plan is to roll out a number of infrastructure projects. For example, the National Housing Trust will spend $23.6 billion this fiscal year on housing and other capital expenditure. 9,000 housing solutions are expected to be completed.
The Trust will pursue the development of a mix of houses and residential lots in 42 developments across 11 parishes and is projecting to write new mortgages totaling approximately $16 billion.
The Port Authority of Jamaica, PAJ, will also be spending $10 billion to build 2 new business process outsourcing facilities in Montego Bay and Portmore.
Additionally, the PAJ will pursue planned developments at Ocho Rios Cruise Terminal and Reynolds Pier, as well as Montego Bay Cruise and Cargo, to capitalize on increased business opportunities in container, cruise, and logistics industries. These developments are expected to cost $5.3 billion.
And the National Water Commission will spend $8.7 billion to improve the supply of potable water and rehabilitate sewage treatment facilities across the island. The South Coast Development Initiative is also integral to government's growth agenda. High on the list is the bauxite industry, the reopening of Alpart to be exact.
That is going to reopen to produce alumina in the first place next year.
Other projects include the development of a logistic hub at Vernam Field, the Goat Island Shipping Project, Caymanas Economic Zone, the expansion of the Kingston Container Terminal, and the expansion of the East-West Highway from Maypen to Manchester and onwards to Negril. Infrastructure projects aside, government is also working on other initiatives to improve the lives of Jamaicans in the 2016-2017 fiscal year. A pre-investment evaluation fund is expected to come on stream. $130 million has been earmarked for the project, designed to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the public sector investment program.
To support key pre-investment actions such as feasibility assessments, process reviews, cost-benefit analysis, socio-economic and environmental assessment, and other technical studies.
Plans are also in train to launch a national financial inclusion strategy for Jamaica. It will give all individuals, firms, small businesses and farmers access to financial products and services that are convenient to them and sustainable to the provider.
We're going to do this because improved financial inclusion is not only supportive of inclusive growth and therefore valuable in its own right, It also is an important enabler of sustainable economic growth, job creation and development.
Government is also examining draft bills to regulate credit unions and the microcredit financial sector. Even as the administration moves to grow the economy through targeted projects, it is also pushing for growth in another way.
Put simply, good tax policies promote good economic growth.
That declaration led to this announcement.
We are raising the personal income tax threshold to $1.5 million across the board for everyone. In making this a threshold for everybody, it's no longer 118,000 people that will benefit. It will now be 251,000.